Zippo was a small operation until the U.S. government purchased the lighter for GIs overseas during World War II from the first days when George Blaisdell started manufacturing in 1933. From the unmistakable click to the classic design, these lighters will last you a lifetime. Chrome-plated and windproof, this Zippo is guaranteed to light up every time. Over its 80-year lifespan, this lighter has been to war and back and lived to tell the tale.
It's coveted, the Zippo lighter.
The Zippo Classic Lighter is made of two components, manufactured separately: the outer case and the inside assembly, which houses the mechanics of the light. Raw brass sheet stock.
And it comes out of the machine where
60 tons of pressure form the shape. The top and bottom are attached. After the hinge is attached, the cases go through what's called a brush finish machine that will sand and wash the cases in preparation for their eventual.
We load them onto this valve. They go through the...
From the other end, they move on to be nickel coated. Because chrome doesn't adhere to brass, the nickel will function as the glue for the chrome. The cases are dipped into a nickel bath.
They're covered with nickel.
After the nickel plate, the shells are rinsed.
5 rinses, then they go into the chrome tank.
After 4 minutes in the chrome tank, the case gets that signature Zippo look. The iconic Zippo case is now complete. An automated process installs the wheel and the eyelet that the wick goes through.
the eyelet applied to the top also. And that eyelet, it attaches the...
The cam is the hinge between the inner case and outer shell. This is what makes that distinctive Zippo. Then cotton balls are packed around the wick. The cotton acts as a sponge for the fuel.
That covers off the cotton balls so they don't fall out.
After the cotton is secured inside, the flint spring is inserted and screwed into place. Once the insert assembly is complete, each lighter is tested.
You ignite the vapors.
And true to the Zippo mandate, it's made nearly windproof. Tried and tested, the insert is married up with the case. Each classic Zippo has to stand up to the fastest flick in the factory, and that's it for the classic case. Going one step further, Zippo can customize your case with anything from initials to elaborate designs. The finished lighters are boxed up and sent around the world.
Zippos are a cool...
Ada bayanganmu di hatiku dan senyummu membuatku rindu. Bagaimana caranya, oh kasihku, ku ingin terus dekat kamu. Bagaimana caranya, oh, aku yakin di antara kita masih ada cinta yang membara. Bagaimana caranya, oh sayangku, ku ingin juga kau mengerti. Bagaimana caranya, haruskah ku teteskan air mata di pipi? Haruskah ku curahkan segala isi di hati? Oh haruskah kau ku peluk dan tak ku lepas lagi, agar tiada pernah ada kata berpisah.